Many people think that chimneys are tanks and fireplaces are meant to be maintenance free, but this would be incorrect. Home inspections often reveal issues with chimneys that could cause smoke to pour into your home, or worse, malfunctions in gas fireplaces that could be leaking natural gas into your home instead of venting outside. If you've got a fireplace, it's recommended to have a fireplace or chimney expert inspect the function and structure of your fireplace and chimney to ensure everything is working as expected every 2 years or so on average. Now, I fall into the annual category on this one. A lot can happen in a year. When you've got everything inspected and verified is good to go, then flip the switch or light up some firewood and grab a nice drink of choice and get lost in its ambiance. See you in the next video where we tackle tank hot water heater maintenance. We'll see you then.